Hey there everyone, Peaceful Quiet Life here. What you're looking at is a mail order mishap. There's another one on the way, but I'm gonna see if there's something I can do with this anyhow. Start with this super glue. These tubes are mostly air, but I know there's some super glue in there. Oh, there it comes. I'm gonna keep this cap on here. This is a trick I've come up with. I'm going to use that as a shaker hole and put this earplug in there as a cork. When you sprinkle baking soda onto super glue, it cures almost instantly. It's been a couple years I've been using it this way, but this slipped when I was up on a ladder and I healed it using this method. It really works good. See, it's already stuck. I'm going to use these rags to kind of support it in the position I need. Douse it with super glue. See how quick? It's like magic. Now that this is somewhat stuck, try to glue some more in the other locations. And there. See how quick that was? Well, there's your quick glue. Thanks for watching and take good care.
There you go.
I think that's about where that goes.
Yeah.
And there you go.
Good.